Ever stumbled upon a cool project on GitHub and wondered how to actually make it work? Today, we're demystifying that process so you can execute code from GitHub, set up your local environment, and maybe even contribute to the open source world. First things first, cloning the repository, head to the GitHub page of the project you're interested in, look for the green code button. Click it and copy the repository's URL. This is your project's address on the internet. Now, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where you want to store the project using the cd command, then type git clone followed by the URL you copied, hit enter, and Git will download all the project files to your computer. Next, setting up your local environment is crucial. Open the project folder in your favorite code editor, like VS Code, PyCharm, or IntelliJ. Many projects include a README file. This is your project Bible. Always start here. The README typically contains essential information like project description, dependencies, and installation instructions. Look for a section about setting up the environment. You might need to install specific software, libraries, or packages. For example, a Python project will often require you to create a virtual environment using Vim or Conda. To install dependencies, you'll often find a requirements file for Python, or a package.json file for JavaScript. To use pip install or requirements, or npm install to install the required packages. These commands read the files and installs everything the project needs to run. With your environment set up, it's time to run the project. The README should specify the command to execute the main program. This might be something like Python mainp or node indexes. Follow the instructions carefully, and with any luck, you should see the project up and running. Finally, if you want to contribute to open source, consider making changes and submitting a pull request following the project's contribution guidelines. This is a fantastic way to learn and give back to the community. Now get out there and start exploring.